Let's try this again. All right. So you can hear me now? Everything's good? Awesome. Awesome. All right. Let's just jump right in. Um, okay. So let's see. No, share my screen. I think it was the screen share that killed things last time. Let's hope it doesn't kill things this time. Okay.
No, before you share the screen.
Yeah. Oh, really? Oh, crap. Okay. All right. Let's just jump right in. So, what I think we should do is just try to go as far as we can to try to get this to work for 212, and then you can manage to 211, 311, 312, 311. Yeah. And I'll also look at the state of the code. So I'm on your branch. Okay, very good. And then I can run your thingy. Awesome. So, and there's no diffs at the moment, except for this nonsense I was doing. So let's close all of this. All right. Okay, let's just don't save. All right, so now we can kind of just get in here. So Python AST load. I gotta kind of remind myself. So basically, what this means, we could look at basically next need imports. This is the Jac file we're gonna use as the test case. So random. So we basically do pyfunc okay, but random is the one that we're in now, right? All right. Let's take a look at random. So we get to line 830. Oh, well, just 830. Here we go. So basically,
Why? But this
yeah.
line number is sometimes wrong. Like,
Really? This one?
yeah,
That's interesting.
yeah, yeah.
That's
Even
weird.
like its final line was like 900 or something, but it like went passing over there. No one closed that.
That's interesting. All right, let's see if this is also wrong. So it says there's a constant. That constant would be 1, right? So it finished a constant. It finished the Augustine. This is an Augustine, so that's good.
Okay.
So it finished the Augustine. If it's working on the constant, oh yeah, it finishes the constant first, then it finishes the Augustine. So this is all good, right? So it's in some if statement. If not C, is that where it's no? It shouldn't it have finished the if? Oh, it finished the if. Oh, of course. So where does it? What's the issue? Line mismatch in async body. There's an async in here? Where's the async?
I think it's for the function type. Proc function type.
Okay. But line mismatch for async body. It's in the proc function def? Do you actually have? All right, let's do. This is in function body. This says in async body. Why would it be?
It's down, I think.
This is proc async function. Length mismatch in async. Oh, it's length inside. Proc async 4. Is there an async 4 in here? I don't see any asyncs. What? So this is stuff you run into, right? I guess? Where like you can't find the async 4? Proc async 4. That means the AST has an async 4 somewhere. That's crazy.
It's inside the if maybe.
Oh wait, let's go to 830. This is the only F. No, it finished that if. It finished a return.
Maybe the while. Yeah, can be the while. Yeah, it's in the while statement. So proc while.
This one?
Yeah, proc while. Yeah, it's at the end. So it processes all the like body of this while, and then it gives it.
Where are you seeing a while? You mean
Yeah,
somewhere in here?
to the like proc while.
Yeah, we could go to proc while. What about it? Oh!
And
Oh, you changed the... or maybe this was there, but this is the wrong...
yeah, okay, this
yeah.
might be the error issue with the version.
Yeah.
I found that there was no words, maybe.
Alright, so we're in a while, so you have this valid body is instance code block. So there's something in the while loop that's not a code block statement. This is a augassign. Oh, it might be your augassign. So did you do augassign? Yeah, you did augassign. So let's just go up and see what the nodes are in the proc while. Okay, so we've got these length mismatch. Let's just make this in while body just for, let's print body, and then let's just print in while, and then we'll do body, and then we'll do /n valid body. That's good enough. Okay, let's see what happens. In while, so it's a binary expression which would be, where is that while? I'm sorry, I'm just right here. So it's a binary expression. Oh, is that how I generate plus equal as a binary expression? Okay, fine. It's an if statement. So this is fine. Then it's an if statement. And then it shouldn't do the return. That's part of the if. And then it should be a binary expression. Oh. Binary expressions aren't code block statements, because your expressions need to be in an EXPR thingy. So let's do our... I wish there was an easier way to... There might be an easier way to do this. Let's try it. So let's do it in Ubuntu so we can see clearly. I'm just going to deconstruct this while statement. I would expect to see expressions come from those augassigns, I think. Because augassign returns a binary expression in this case for you, right? Basically, augassign, you must be, oh, you're returning a binary expression. I think you should return an oh, you return a binary expression there. I think you got to wrap it in expression. I think you have to wrap it in expression. Is this correct? Is this what is returned in Jac? Augusine turns into binary expression.
Yeah.
Let's check the parser.
And that,
let's see. What would that be? Actually, I can't even remember the grammar rules. So let's go to Jac Lark. Let's look for binary. No. What we're looking for? Assignment. Assignment. So this one is so it's an assignment, right? Because this is your augassign rule. I mean, that's the Jac's version. And then let's see what it returns in the parser. So the parser tells you ground truth of what the AST tree looks like. It gives you like a super ground truth read of what the... Why is this a type? Oh, I know why it's a type thing. Okay. What is it? Actually, I don't think we need this type ignorer. So, do we? Yes, we do. Damn it, where? Ooh, why? Oh, it's this thing from... Has no attribute Jac Lark. Oof. I don't know. I won't fix that now. I'll get distracted. Okay. Assignment. So this is our assignment rule. This is where we're doing it. We're returning an assignment. So this should return an assignment, not an argosine.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's
I think it might be changed later or something.
yeah.
Like we did this like at the start of this journey.
Mm. Oh.
Yeah, I think
Yeah, it's all
I
good.
asked you about this. I was, yeah.
Yeah, no worries, man. No worries.
That's it.
This stuff is no. I got this. I'm gonna do a commit after some length of a session. I mean, if you have to go, I will probably just keep going, and then you can watch the stream. So
Wait,
this isn't enough. We still have to change this, right? Is that what you
yeah,
mean?
but give me a second. We are in proc Augustine, right?
Mm-hmm. And the Augustine node looks like, let me
Yeah,
just freeze
okay,
this. Yeah. The Augustine node looks like this, and that is target op value. So we have to see what the kind of assignment is. Like one good tool is to look at, if it is an Augustine. If it is like this particular case, we're probably going to chomp an augop somewhere. I should make these names homogeneous, but isog. So isog is here. So, but you can go to that, right? So we know that this is kind of the assignment. The isog is going to be the token. It's going to be the token that we chomp for this augop. And that's purely a token. Let's see where we type check the isog. If isog, we must type check it somewhere. Isog equals chomp 1. Let's see where isog appears again. If isog, augop. I'm surprised this doesn't like break a type check. Maybe it's because it's a AST node, and maybe I have AST node as augop here. Just curious, augop. No, it's a token. I don't know why it's not type erroring, but this tells us what we need to know for now. So, so basically, we want to return an assignment that looks like this, and we know that this is our stuff. And so what you're doing here is you've got the opposite token, you've got your targets and expression. Is that right? I guess it will be right. Okay, that's what Python does, right? So those are expressions. Let me just try something real quick. Oh, these are. Oh yeah. Of course. Yes, this is expression. This is Jac AST expression, because Python has an expression too, has EXPR. So I was thinking about that. Okay, so this needs to be an assignment, and then let's go back to the parser and just kind of look at our little template here. So target equals target. I'm going to turn on the type checks for this because it helps me code faster. Let's go back to augop. Augustine, sorry, it's right here. Okay, see, this is just, I'll know when I have it complete. The type tag, I guess Python doesn't let you have type tags on Augustines. So what would we return here? So we allow it in our language, but it's redundant actually. So we just won't, ours is optional here. It's optional here, so this could be none. So I'm going to check that this could be none. It could be none because it's optional. So it's going to be type tag equals none. What else? What else do you need? Value, which is here. Mutable. This is going to be yes. Mutable equals, let's see what kind of type this is. I could just hover over. It's a bool, so mutable is going to be true. Augop equals op. And what else you need? What else do you need? Nothing else. Target needs to be expected a subnode list. Oh, it's okay. We're going to have to construct a subnode list out of that. So we'll just say targ equals AST.subnode list. It's just going to be one item. Yes, exactly. And then targ. And now we're good. So that's this one. This one's nice and clean. It looks correct. It's great. That's a great little OGOP. And let's see what happens when we run this. Okay, new error. So that's a good sign. And it looks like we're in a different spot. We probably went past the 800, I guess.
Yeah, it's in the circle, I think.
Oh, it's in circle. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So what we'd have to do is validate that. So it got past random. That's wonderful news. Okay. All right. So that was one issue done. Actually, let's look at the diff, because we could just commit this, right? This is a nice spot for a commit, because we fixed it. We're making more progress. It's going to be a chore type deal. So that's good. And then we do git diff again. Sorry. So we change that to an assignment. We return a assignment now. And then we have this printf that's wayward. This print statement that's wayward. Print in while. So we don't want this anymore. Oops. What's all this other crud? We're gonna need to do a massive cleanup of all this, right? Like if we don't need this, we should just get rid of it, but whatever. I'm just gonna make this a small little commit. Let's check it again. Do. Beautiful. Commit. Chore. Forward. Progress toward awesomeness. Very cool. Very cool. All right. Okay, so let's just keep going. Should we do circle too? The one thing I'd be very curious of doing is when this is done, there's this stuff that I do that validates that the AST is legit. So
Yeah, it happens after all these imports happen.
what do you mean?
That means that even if after the circle also should pass to validate all this stuff.
Yeah. There's a way we could validate before that though, right? So at the end of proc module, we have this AST node, but we could just do something like, check this out. First of all, let's see if we could unparse it to the screen. So what does that mean? So we could do AST dump, AST, no. Let's just print the unparse. Print PyAST dot unparse node. So this will actually turn it back into into Python. It'll reconstruct the Python from the thing from the AST tree. And then we'll print that to the screen. So let's see what happens. Okay, so we should have Python. Ooh, look. So that's circle. Well, that's something. That's circle. We should have. Ooh, here. This is This must be random, reverse engineered. Isn't that interesting? Isn't that interesting? So now we can actually make it a real test. Does this look right? Oh, did I get DC'd again? Are you there? Uh-oh. YouTube, come on. Oh, no. Oh, I'm DC'd again. That's not good. Well, I'm going to keep going, and then we'll just post this on YouTube, because I'm locally recording too. So, whatever. All right, so I'm going to, okay, so I unparsed it. What I want to do then is I want to parse it again. I want to parse it again. And I wonder if the ASTs are going to match. Ooh. That's a good test. But we could do this at the end. At least we unparse. Oh, let's see if we can compile it. comp equals compile. No. We know it prints. Let's see if random in node.loc. Huh? Oh, the AST module in ret dot loc dot mod path. We're going to do these two things. I will try to compile. This will be like the pi code equals blah, and then we're going to try to compile. Oh, let me do a git push. Okay, I didn't do a git commit, just a push. Oh, I can't push because I was disconnected. Jeez. All right, I'll push later. Okay, and then we're going to comp the pi code. Does that? What else do I need to add to compile? Come on. Oh, I can't. I have no ChatGPT now because I'm DC. Okay, whatever. Whoa, did that work? Print worked and exit. Okay, let's see if that works. No. If random in mod path. Oh, it wouldn't be in the location. It would be, where would we have the mod path? It's part of the node. It's part of the ret. The ret should have it. Let's just print it. Let's do that, and let's get rid of all this output stuff. Get rid of that and this, so we can see. Oh no, importing from needs import. Importing Python module. We could track that. Importing Python module, we could track where that goes, where that's from, so we could just do this. Here's Pavi saying, hey, we got disconnected again. Oh, I know, sad face. I'll reply to him in a second. All right, so it's here, we do that, but let's see where node.pathString, where does that go? Importing, and then we do pass mod path. We don't actually pass in node dot input equals parse f dot read. Parse f dot read. So we don't actually. Shouldn't the mod path be f path? Because we're constructing the module. Why does this is probably wrong. No way, import Python module mod path. How is this? Yeah, okay, we get the base EIR. Yeah, this should be spec origin. And then these would say the right thing, I think. Okay, so, okay, good. So we got failed to compile. Oh, it makes it weird. All right, fine. Okay, let's see. So that was a fix. So I'll keep that. I'll probably commit that. But we need to put a file name in here. Blah. Missing required argument mode. Oh man, I can't remember what compile should have. Let's see. It's in my code. Compile. Here's one. compile, blah, exact. Oh yeah. Cool. Oh shit, it worked. Okay, so it's legit. No, wait. Why would I try it on the Python? It's really the Jac that I should be printing. But that wouldn't work. No, I should be rendering. No, actually, the right test would be to try to code gen the Jac version of the thingy, and then check the code gen output. So we're going to do that in a bigger test later. It's too much of a divergence just to sanity check the fucking thing. No, this onParse isn't the right thing. Oof. Let me try the codegen thing. I'm curious. So we just have to run the codegen pass on import from Jac Lang dot Jac dot compiler dot passes dot main dot Py AST gen pass import. It won't be able to autocomplete Py AST gen pass. Okay. Now let's pass equals. Oh, let's call it out equals Py AST gen pass. I need the input IR, which will be ret. Good. And then that's it. Then, let's see what the fuck comes out. Let's comment this out. Py code equals ret dot gen dot Py AST, because then this will be, so what we're doing is we're taking a Python file. This current pass will translate it into Jac AST. And then we're going to code gen that Jac AST back to a Python AST. And then we're going to check the unparsed version of that Python AST. It's fucking crazy. All right. So, okay, where are we? We're going to unparse that bad boy. Then we're going to print PyCode. Now we're going to see something real. PyCode. Ooh-wee. This is going to be juicy. We're not going to do this comp. But we will print worked and then exit at that point. I have to have that? That's stupid. Prior should equal self, I guess. But I don't think I need prior. Alright, that's fine. Now let's see. Oh, duh. This doesn't go here. This goes here. List index out of range. Line 4. Well, that didn't work. But I don't actually, I can't see where. So this, okay, well. I mean, you could dig in and fix that. That's going to be wild. Why don't I have a stack trace? It's an error. It turns into an error. Why would it be an error? See, this is one of those cases where it's we should just run a test. Let's just do a test, and then I could debug it because I'd want to know where is it failing. So I should actually use the debugger for that. Where's the debugger? I mean, where's the test that I would do? Needs import. Let's go back from needs import. So needs import is which test? Needs import is probably in test language. Yeah. All right, so now let's see if this is still set up to work. What was it? No. Oh, I just go to debug. Yeah, let's go to debug. Let's go to tests. Configure PyTest. We're going to use PyTest. We're going to do it on root. So then it should check the whole repo. We have our test, and then I should be able to do debug test. And then, oh, it's just going to run the whole thing. Nope. I'm going to stop it right here. This is a breakpoint. Okay. Or there, or whatever. Let's just play. Where's the play button? Here we go. Let's get rid of this breakpoint, play. This breakpoint, play. This breakpoint. Why do we have all these random AF breakpoints? Now we're at the breakpoint we want, and now we're going to skip forward. Then we're going to step into this bad boy. Well, let's step in. It's got to be in there. Step in. Yeah. And then just transform in it. We'll step into there. And then we'll logger. Yeah. Self.transform we need to step into. Step into that. And now we're in transform. This is inside of IR pass. We could step over until traverse, and then in traverse, we'll step in. Yeah, and then traverse will do enter node, and that's where we really start the pass. Enter node. I could have picked a different breakpoint spot, but step in, and now we're in enter node, which does this fancy logic. Oh man, how do we step into this? Actually, we should put a point here, and then we should just run. And somehow we should print. We should watch some stuff. So we run. So here we're in PyGen pass. We're in some node. It's a string. Random variables decorator. Okay, we should just run this and see where in the file do we die. So this is a string node. Let's get a bigger view. I mean, I'm using noob mode of using this debugger, because I know you can do all kinds of like watch stuff and check the call stack and use all these shits. But I just usually just step through and try to find my way around. All right, so we'll just run again. Now we're in, what are we in? Node is, this is an import node. Huh. Okay. Is there imports in random? Let's just skip forward. No, play. Subtag node, name node, module path node, pop node, pop node, pop node. Let's just go until we die and see what we have. Nothing. So it died, but we don't even get the, oh, we do get the call stack. Oh, okay. Exit 1. So it executes this. Wait, what was the output? Oh yeah. So then what happened? So we did the Jac string to pass. Is this just a function of this is just a function of where we went, I guess. But it doesn't give me enough information to know like what node it dies on. I could just stick a printf in there. and just quickly see what node we die on. All right. Well, I'm going to do a printf now, and then we'll go back to debug mode once I know what node we're dying on. So print node dot class dot name. Yeah, let's do that. Then just run this thing again. String. Why are we still in string? Oh, there's a lot of strings somewhere. It's in a string one. It dies in a string. It dies in a string. Let me see something. Print. I gotta fix my network so I can get back online. So this is a good change, spec origin. What else? What other good changes? That print is not, it's gonna go. These prints should come back, I guess. This debug output. Should I go down this path and try to fix this first, or should we just get everything to pass and then I just code review? I should just code review the stuff, and I'm sure I'm gonna find many, many issues. So fixing an issue by debugging piece by piece is probably sillier and longer, slower than getting the whole thing to pass, and then I'd be able to check the whole. I just check the code and then go down the debugging route. That's the better strategy. So I'm gonna do that. So let me just make this commit, and then I'll just close this video. Let's see. Oh, let me just change all this shit. So let me get rid of this. Let's go back and get rid of this, and then get rid of, and then bring this back. Boom and boom. All right. Oh, yeah, that's right. Now we do the git diff, and we should just have, what? Oh, I didn't save? Whoa, 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 whoa. Go back, go back. What are you doing? What's happening? What's happening? Come on. Thank you. Let's get rid of this thing. Okay, cool. Quit. Git diff. Oh yeah, git diff is good. Just the one change. Okay. Git add command/m chore tweak fix. Git push. Oh, I can't push. Oh, I'm online. Where's Pavi? I'm online again. All right. Let's see if he already left the office where he is. Oh, okay, cool, cool, cool. He said continue to stream, and he'll watch the video, and he'll continue working on it tomorrow. Sweet. Well, I think I'm going to do another stream session on this today, perhaps. But we've made some good progress. We've pushed it. I'll just continue churning through this. Part 2 to come soon. Awesome. All right, I'm going to hop off for a minute, and I'll be back.